you, sir?
Real good, thank you.
All right, fantastic. We're here in Maryland. Just finished up your house. It is absolutely looking beautiful. How do you guys feel about it?
Feel great. You guys did a great job. Took a day and a half, but they explained everything to us.
Awesome, awesome. And we just walked around your entire house. You've hired some contractors in the past. What would you say that was a little bit different about our process versus some of the others that you've hired in the past?
Well, your company picks up all the trash. We couldn't even find a nail in the grass, which is unbelievable.
Attention to detail.
You do attention to detail. You guys, like, perfect. Everything's like perfect.
Awesome, thank you, Richard. And so with all the, I guess nuances with the constructions and hiring, companies, it's kind of hard making a decision. I know it was very difficult for you guys, but how do you feel now that everything's pretty much finished up with us and we're leaving you with a really strong roof? How did you feel that you guys feel comfortable with the final process?
We feel real comfortable. You told us everything like A to Z, what's going to happen, the prices and everything else. It was a real good price.
Awesome. What would you tell some of your friends, family members, or neighbors that would be hesitant in choosing, a contractor, or at least Art Home Solutions?
I tell them to give you a chance, listen to you, because you explain things well, and show them all the details, like all the expenses, this and that.
Awesome. Thank you, Richard. Would you refer us to other homeowners?
Yes, I would.
We appreciate your business and thank you for being a valued Art Home Solutions customer.
Thank you for a good job.
Thank you,
Great
sir.
Staff.
We appreciate it. Thank you, Richard.